When we pause to think about the role plastic plays in our life, we can start to appreciate just how ingrained it really is, particularly in developed economies. For example, you may wake up in the morning on a mattress that has threads made of polyester before turning on your bedroom light, encountered in plastic features using a plastic switch connected to electrical wire encased in plastic protective covering. For breakfast, you may use a cooker with plastic knobs and a Teflon-coated frying pan to cook food from plastic packaging and use a plastic-covered kettle to make a cup of tea. Dressing for work, you may put on clothes made of polyester textile and plastic-lined shoes. You may then travel to work in a vehicle that has plastic bumpers, plastic seats, and plastic componentry, and the day continues. The moral of the story, of course, is that plastic is used across all aspects of our life. Plastic is important in our life. The first step in creating a plastic product is the extraction of crude oil or methane gas. There are two main methods for these large-scale operations, which are mining and drilling. After fossil fuel extraction, the raw materials are shipped to a refinery. The goals of refinement are to derive the building blocks for plastic production. Chemical modification of ethylene and polyethylene through catalyzed polymerization produces resins. This chemical processing can be carried out in several different ways, leading to a variety of plastic products. Given all the resources and energy used to produce each plastic product, it's important that we responsibly use and dispose of any plastic we already own. We can reuse, repurpose, and upcycle the plastic we have to make the most of their use before discarding them. Recycling may be the best way to dispose of plastic that can no longer be reused. When plastic are separated for recycling, they are transported to a materials recovery facility for sorting. Then, they are taken to a reclaiming plant where the material is flagged, washed, and formed into new resin nodules from manufacturing. Together, we must reduce, reuse, and recycle. We can reduce by purchasing items with the least amount of packaging and buying in bulk when appropriate. We can reuse by avoiding disposable items. Finally, we can recycle by using community recycling programs and purchasing products made from recycled materials. Never before has there been a time when environmental issues such as recycling have been more relevant. We must stop refusing to look past today.